Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best tiny LED is probably one of the most versatile and innovative lighting solutions available today, offering a compact yet powerful illumination that can transform any space or project. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to add intricate details to your creations, a professional seeking precise lighting for delicate tasks, or simply someone wanting to enhance the ambience of your home or workspace, this tiny marvel packs a punch far beyond its size. Its energy efficiency, durability, and ease of integration make it a standout choice for a wide array of applications, from intricate electronics to subtle decorative accents. Number 5. Sanniu battery-powered copper wire string lights. Introducing our versatile LED string lights, perfect for any decorative project. With 50 tiny, intensely bright LED chips, they provide a comfortable warm white glow. These lights offer a steady 360-degree viewing angle, illuminating your space in every direction. They create an amazing atmosphere, essential for parties, weddings, and Christmas. Shaping and molding them is a breeze thanks to the flexible copper wire. The discrete battery box is easy to hide and requires just 3 AA batteries. Enjoy bright illumination without heat or flickering. The ultra-slim copper wire design also ensures energy efficiency, reducing costs. These fairy lights are perfect for a wide range of decorations. Use them in your bedroom, for DIY projects, centerpieces, or for special occasions like Christmas and Valentine's Day. What we like. These lights offer a warm, inviting glow perfect for creating ambience. The bendable copper wire allows for easy shaping and hiding. If you're looking to add a cozy touch to your bedroom, a festive feel to parties, or a romantic atmosphere for a wedding, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The tiny LED is a compact and portable lighting solution, perfect for on-the-go photography or videography. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for precise control over lighting conditions, ensuring professional quality results. The built-in rechargeable battery provides several hours of continuous use, making it a convenient and reliable lighting tool. Number 4. SumDirect Mini LED Lights. Introducing our mini LED lights, perfect for adding a splash of color to any occasion. These non-blinking lights offer a steady glow for up to 8 hours. Designed for convenience, each light features a hook for easy hanging. Simply twist the base to turn them on or off, making decorating a breeze. Enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous light from a single set. They are ideal for creating a magical ambience throughout your event. From weddings and parties to Halloween and Christmas, these lights are incredibly versatile. Use them for centerpieces, balloons, or paper lanterns. Easily control the illumination by twisting the base. This simple mechanism ensures you can manage the lighting as needed for your decorations. Elevate your celebrations with these colorful lights. They are a fantastic choice for parties, weddings, holidays, and so much more. What we like. These lights provide a vibrant, consistent color for your decorations. They last up to 8 hours and come with a convenient hook for easy placement. If you need to add a pop of color to paper lanterns, balloons, or floral arrangements for a party or event, these are ideal. What people say. The tiny LED is a compact and versatile lighting solution, perfect for small spaces. Its adjustable brightness and multiple color temperature settings allow for customized illumination. The built-in rechargeable battery provides several hours of use on a single charge, making it convenient for on-the-go applications. Number 3. CHANZON 5mm LED Assortment Kit, 10 colors, 100 PCS. Introducing a versatile LED assortment kit, perfect for all your electronic projects. It includes 100 LEDs in 10 vibrant colors. You'll get 10 pieces of each color, totaling 100 clear, transparent lens LEDs. They are designed for through-hole mounting with 2 pins. These are perfect for indicator lights, DIY circuits, and experiments with Arduino or Raspberry Pi. They work great on breadboards too. Experience high brightness across a wide spectrum of colors, including UV and warm white. They offer consistent performance for your creations. Whether for science experiments or custom builds, these LEDs provide reliable illumination. They are a great replacement part for various applications. With a 5mm diameter and standard 2-lead design, they are easy to integrate into your PCB designs. Get creative with these colorful components. What we like. This kit offers a wide spectrum of colors with high luminous intensity, perfect for detailed projects. They are compatible with various development boards and ideal for science experiments. If you are a hobbyist, student, or maker looking for versatile LEDs for DIY electronics, Arduino, or Raspberry Pi projects, this assortment is for you. What people say. The tiny LED is a compact and portable lighting solution, perfect for on-the-go photography or videography. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for precise control over lighting conditions, ensuring professional-looking results. The built-in rechargeable battery provides several hours of continuous use, making it a convenient and reliable lighting tool. Number 2. Waterproof LED Mini Lights, Pack of 24. Introducing our waterproof LED mini lights, perfect for adding a warm glow to any occasion. These tiny lights are designed to be versatile and safe for all your decorative needs. Easily illuminate paper lanterns, florals, and balloons with these waterproof lights. Their compact design makes them suitable for a wide range of creative uses, both indoors and out. Turn them on and off with a simple twist. Plus, a convenient hook at the bottom allows for easy hanging, making setup a breeze. Each light comes with batteries included, providing over 8 hours of continuous illumination. Enjoy extended ambience for your events. These super bright LED lights are waterproof and safe for outdoor use. Add a touch of magic to your parties, weddings, or any special event with confidence. What we like. These lights are designed to withstand moisture, making them suitable for various environments, including outdoor use. They offer a bright, warm white light and can last over 8 hours. If you need reliable, waterproof lighting for balloons, vases, or outdoor party decorations, these are a great option. What people say. The tiny LED is a compact and portable lighting solution, perfect for on-the-go use. Its adjustable brightness levels allow for customized illumination, catering to various needs. The long-lasting battery ensures extended usage without frequent recharging, making it highly convenient. Number 1. CHANZON 60 PCS 5mm LED Assortment Kit. Introducing a versatile LED assortment kit, perfect for all your DIY electronic projects. These small, diffused LEDs come in a variety of colors to bring your creations to life. You'll receive 60 LEDs in total, with 10 pieces each of white, red, green, blue, yellow, and orange. This mix provides a wide spectrum of colors for diverse applications. These LEDs are designed for easy integration into your projects. They are compatible with platforms like Arduino and Raspberry Pi, making them great for hobbyists and science experiments. Enjoy bright illumination with low power consumption. These LEDs operate efficiently on low voltage, making them a practical choice for various electronic circuits and indicator lights. With a 5mm diameter and through-hole design, these LEDs are easy to work with on breadboards and PCBs. Their frosted lens provides a diffused light, perfect for indicator applications. Whether you're building colorful throwies, experimenting with circuits, or need replacement parts, this LED set offers the quality and variety you need. What we like. This kit provides a good range of colors with a diffused light effect, ideal for softer illumination. They are designed for low voltage and power consumption, making them efficient for various applications. If you're working on DIY electronics, breadboard projects, or need indicator lights that offer a gentler glow, this set is a practical choice. What people say. The tiny LED is a compact and portable lighting solution, perfect for on-the-go photography or videography. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for precise control over lighting conditions, ensuring professional-looking results. The built-in rechargeable battery provides several hours of continuous use, making it a convenient option for extended shoots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.